Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll explore the features and benefits of the ELORA 187-180 strap wrench, a must-have tool for professionals in the automotive and heavy machinery industries. This strap wrench seamlessly integrates with a 1/2-inch reversible ratchet, enhancing both its functionality and user convenience. The ELORA 187-180 strap wrench is a durable and efficient tool designed for professional use, particularly suited for the automotive and heavy machinery industries. This tool is essential for removing oil filters and securely clamping round-shaped components in trucks, construction vehicles, and agricultural machinery. With its capability to handle parts up to 180 millimeters in diameter, the ELORA 187-180 offers versatility for a range of tasks. It features a non-slip fiber ribbon, 50 millimeters in width, which ensures a strong grip while preventing damage during operations. Constructed from high-grade tool steel, the ELORA 187-180 is built to endure the demanding conditions of professional environments. Given the intensive usage expected of such a tool, the fiber ribbon may show signs of wear over time. To address this, ELORA provides the option to purchase a spare strap, model number 187E180. Acquiring this spare strap is advisable for users noticing wear on the current strap, as it ensures the wrench continues to function effectively, maintaining workflow continuity and providing cost efficiency. Overall, the ELORA 187-180 strap wrench stands out as a reliable tool in the maintenance and repair sectors, particularly in settings involving heavy machinery. Its robust construction, combined with the availability of spare parts like the 187E180 strap, underscores ELORA's commitment to quality and customer satisfaction.